everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we will learn 30 English vocabulary. So without any delay, let's go. Number 1. Curtail. Curtail, it means reduce in extent or quantity or make less or cut down something. The synonyms of curtail we can say reduce, decrease or retrench. Let's look at an example. Can you please curtail the texting while you are driving? Like during the driving, you should curtail the texting, otherwise you can get accident. Number 2. Desolate. Desolate, it means expressing some feeling or showing great unhappiness or loneliness. The synonyms of desolate we can say alone, lonely or dismal. Let's look at an example. He has been desolate since his mother died. Like after his mother died, he is desolate now. He is lonely or he is alone. We also can use this word for describe any phrase like the home was left desolate or the land was left desolate. Like there is no inhabitants now and it's desolate now. Number 3. Vilification. Vilifications, it means the act of saying or writing unpleasant things or about something, showing the bad opinion or making a bad statement that can damage the other reputations. Synonyms of vilifications we can say condemn, criticisms, lambasted. Let's look at an example. It's the vilifications of the human being down to the lowest point of her existence. But the word vilifications we use, it's a negative way. This is a negative word. Okay. Number 4. Impulsive. If someone is impulsive, it means that they act on instinct, like without thinking they take their decisions. The synonyms of impulsives, it's emotional, passionate, spontaneous. Let's look at an example. You shouldn't take impulsive decisions in your life. It should be decisive. Like during our teenager, most of us we take impulsive decisions in your life, and the consequence we suffer a lot. Number 5. Gracious. Gracious, like we can describe for someone personality. Like a gracious person wants everyone to be comfortable. Like any difficult moment, they show modesty and politeness. Synonyms of gracious we can say courteous, amiable, modest, polite. Let's look at an example. He is gracious and humble with his elder one. Like he is always humble with his elder one. That means he shows respect to his elder. Number 6. Intrepid. Intrepid, that means extremely brave and showing no fear of dangerous situations. Like they are ready to go and ready to fight of any situations. They are not afraid. The synonyms of intrepid we can say fearless, unafraid, brave, dauntless. Let's look at an example. We should salute all the intrepid frontline workers, those who are working 24 hours during the pandemic. Like during the pandemic, it's the lot of volunteers and the frontline workers, they are working 24 hours and we should salute all this. They are intrepid, they are fearless because they are ready to fight and ready to go the battlefield. Number 7. Despicable. Despicable, it means very unpleasant or bad, or causing strong feelings of dislike. Like synonyms of despicable, we can say hateful, shameful, odious, or loathsome. Let's look at an example. This is a despicable crime. Like this crime is despicable. This is so hateful. Or it was a despicable effort to blackmail voters. You tried a despicable way to blackmail the voters. It's really shameful act. Thanks for watching.